welcome back to another video. You watched my last video. This is a direct jump into the next day, the next morning. I am here currently packing my stuff to go to Jill's wedding. Oh my gosh, I've probably mentioned this in the video so many times, but my best friend Wren's older sister Jill is getting married. She's been engaged for about 1.5 years, I want to say, and today is the day. I'm not a bridesmaid, but I'm kind of just like an honorary person that's gonna be going. I got invited to go get ready with the girls. I'm gonna pick them up some Starbucks on my way and then get ready with them too. I'm gonna try to help Jill with a lot of her content just to make today a little bit easier for her. I'm gonna be in charge of the Polaroid camera that is around just to make sure that it stays full. I have my extra battery. I'm gonna record some stuff for her. I have my tripod, stuff for my phone to record the ceremony. It's gonna be awesome. Harry is going to be my date tonight. He is meeting me there later in the day. My mom's gonna drop me off now at the ceremony location so I don't have to drive because she's just gonna drop me off after. Let's go get ready for Jill's wedding because I'm just as excited as she probably is. Okay, I'm pulling into the Starbucks in just a minute here. I just got to the venue probably 20-30 minutes ago. It is so beautiful and stunning. Jill looks fantastic and beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's glowing. She has the bridal glow. I don't lie about that. It is only like 12 o'clock right now. We have a hot minute to go because the ceremony's not till 5:30. Vibes are so good. I'll film a little bit when I get back in there. The bridesmaids look beautiful. I got put on DoorDash duty, which is literally the only thing I want to be doing right now besides spending a day with them because I love running little errands. Yeah, I'm pulling up. Let's go scoop the 8 Starbucks orders. Bring them all back in one piece. Here's how we're going to have to ride back. We're just gonna hope and pray for the best. Give them a peek. Oh. Oh, hello. Get you in here. Okay, if I'm like getting ready like this, can you see me? Yeah. Wait, it's kind of trippy because I'm like here and it's like you're my twin. Thank you so much. Yeah. Lydia. I'm obsessed with her. I did her eyes. Her eye makeup. So good. Look at those. Wow. Yeah, especially no, yeah. She's so sad. Any of her album, yeah. Like booty. Tall sassy boots. We're gonna mix some blushes. Yeah. Her dress is stunning. You're gonna die when you see it. Bridesmaid number 1.
Fashion paint by Brossy.
Oh, it's perfect.
Georgiana Grande.
Yes!
We are all finishing getting ready, and we're all putting our outfits on.
She is stunning!
Saturday night.
are you guys doing first look in here?
It's gonna be
Here's the final look. Heels, little wedges, over the shoulder scarf. I did a little half up, half down because I tried to do the curls and it just did not work out. We're going no neck jewelry. What's this little cute thing? So we're gonna wear this. The ladies look fabulous, of course. Hi girl. Second row, not first row. You think it's first row. We have T-minus 5 minutes till she locks down, so we're just waiting.
Alright, but here it is. So I'm about to go take a little break. Jill's getting ready to take over DJ. On the count of 3, my girl gonna hit it. 1, 2, 3. This is how we do it. Y'all give it up for my girl. Leave it in, leave it in. Editor.
Last night was so amazing, so much fun. It is like 6 hours later after, not later from the last video, but I woke up 6 hours after I fell asleep. We're having a family boat day. So let's try to get our life together a little bit and head out on the boat. What is that?
I caught a fish, Mike.
Good job, Mom. Aww.
gone?
Oh.
But it's not moving super fast. So we're gonna try to look at it. Yep.
Maybe some man.
Dad's hype song being Break Free by Ariana Grande is crazy.
I mean, if it's a ray, it's a really big one.
Be a fish, be a fish.
I think it's a stingray.
Dang it. Come on, be a fish.
It's gonna be a big one.
Oh!
Kill ya.
Oh, I forgot.
All right.
Hi, buddy.
Keep that. See ya.
Aww. Bye. Is it a stingray? Oh, it's a stingray. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Hi, buddy.
One sec, like you don't even have to do anything. I'll tell you this is hard. Oh yeah. Feel the burn.
Get it, Mom.
That's all those
Wow.
bodies. The 6 a.m. Stairmaster.
Don't laugh.
I don't know, but keep it tight. Jump.
Look at that. She's got that technique down.
Here, get up in the bow, Mike.
Finish it
Treat
off.
it like a man.
It's a fish shot. Have you right the last time?
Take a seat.
The rays are impressive.
Is it a ray?
Sit with my fish.
Another stingray.
So you feel like
Ready to chunky.
it will shoot out too.
Why is this called chunking?
Because we're cutting up chunks of bait and just letting them float to curve.
Chunk. Maybe you don't play.
Chunk, chunk, chunk.
You're gonna get it charged.
Oh, you gotta wait.
Oh, look at this.
Lady girl. Is that you?
Look at that. You're sitting here, you can barely turn their tail yet.
Get it, girl, get it. It's a baby.
So big, that's crazy.
Good job, good job. She's a lady, she's a lady. Whoop, whoop.
Rip it. Wait, that's kind of sad.
I can't do it.
Can you give her a dead one?
Yeah.
Is there a dead one? I think there might be one in this. Okay. That's so sadistic.
Cut it down.
Miles, that was serial killer vibes. Are you kidding?
You were asking her to rip it in half. I mean, what do you want me to do?
But then I felt bad.
It's not, that's just nerve. Look, Rip is still alive. Yeah, it's true. Break his neck.
Oh, Ava. You guys don't even want to know. You don't even want to know what my past 12 hours has looked like. I've gone through every single emotion possible. I was like, oh, let me grab my camera really quick. And I was like, where on earth is my camera? I'm ripping this place apart. Looked everywhere. I ended up just going to bed and being like, don't know where it is. I was like heartbroken. Literally filmed an entire like segment this morning being like, I lost my camera. My vlog's never gonna be on the G7X again. I was devastated. But we found the camera. I'm like even more grateful for it now than I was before. It taught me a good lesson. Time for a solo beach day. Honestly, it's beautiful outside. Blue sky, UV is 9. I just want to go to the beach by myself and read for a little bit. So that's where we're going now. Back with Abigail now. We are at the barn, so let's go ride. Another lovely day spent with Ren. We're gonna be separated from each other for a hot minute this summer, so we're quite literally having to spend every day.
Whose fault is that?
Quite literally, it's my fault. We are spending the morning tanning because it's a beautiful day out. UV of 9. It's gonna get to 10. Then we both have to do a little work later. So, spending the morning tanning for now, and that's just the vibes. Tanning day is over now. We are on our way to Dunedin, Florida. I think Jill did work for them, right? For the first.
We just have been like going there for a while.
Okay. Yeah, so the Ivy Palm is like a little boutique area, I guess. Not area, shop in Dunedin. So we're gonna go there, check it out. I've never been, so that's on our itinerary. Maybe get a little snack, little foodie. We'll see where we end up going. But for now, we're going shopping. What do you have?
The newest LED mask. I'm reversing my age by the second.
What are you watching on Instagram Reels?
The sailing guy who's sailing to Hawaii from Oregon with his cat.
There's no way. I'm now on my way to my sister's house. She's just finishing up an appointment actually, so I'm trying to kill some time here. I have had disposable cameras around my room for maybe a year and a half, 2 years, who knows. They were with me in Florida before school. They were with me freshman year. They were with me last summer. They were with me this year. And they've had awkwardly like 8, 13, 2 pictures left on these. And so it's been like my goal. All of these, if you can see, are at 0 pictures left. I'm at CVS right now. Gonna go turn them in. It's gonna be a check when all of these come back. But it says they're gonna take about 2 to 4 weeks to come back. So I'm going out of town for 3-ish weeks starting next week. So that's 4 weeks. So I'm hoping that by the time I'm back from the trip, they'll all be back. That being said, let's go turn these in. Chill. No! Doesn't Ava look like she has like a like a Reese's wig on? A powdered wig?
Is it because of my bang?
No! Just look.
She's been sleeping the last 2 days all day.
We got kava.
What's yours?
Tuning in at the sister sleepover now. I just flat ironed my hair because, as I told you guys earlier, my hair was overstimulating me, so I ended up flat ironing it.
Sleepover party.
What did we do today?
We made TikTok.
They saw I meant to set up the camera when we were doing TikToks. Wait, should we show them?
We ate kava, then we watched the movie, then we got
What movie? Dungeon Dragon 2.
That's so weird. Actually.
I did. What you gonna do about it?
Why'd you eat that?
Nothing.
And here's our second one. Can I post one of these?
I personally like the other one.
Those are the TikToks. Yay! I want to post one of them, but I don't know which. I'm gonna post both of them.
Consult after this.
It's rot hour. It's rot 15 minutes. Actually, it's way past our bedtime.
Yeah,
I have to be at the hospital at 7:30 tomorrow. So we have to go to bed kind of soon, but we need to watch some YouTube first. Do we look like right here? I feel like we could not look more different right now.
People might beg to differ.
Wait,
I think we don't.
Wait, comment down
You look
below.
like Madison right now.
Do I? Madison, you hear that? Okay. Okay, guys.
What is that?
We're doing ASMR. You killed it. What is that? Laughing at. Do that again. Do what again?
I need to go to bed.
Good night. Good morning and happy last day of shadowing. I am exhausted right now. Let me see if there's a Starbucks on the way, and I'm gonna cross my fingers and really hope that there's a Starbucks. Ooh, there is. It's plugged in. Let's go get some Starbucks and do the last day.